In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the page size here in Canva. Now, we are going to be utilizing a Canva Pro feature, and if you want to try out a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, there will be a link down below. Now, once you have your page like this, and you want to change the size, it's actually relatively easy. What we want to do is come up to Resize a Magic Switch. Now, if we click on there, we're going to have lots of different options. There's lots of different presets that we can use just here, and if we scroll down a bit, we can click on more and see all of these as well, and choose one of them if it applies to your design. Now, 9 times out of 10, we're going to want to use a custom size, so we're going to want to click on custom size just here. Then, if we click on there, this is where we can then change the page size. So we have the options for pixels, inches, millimeters, and centimeters. Now, if we take a look at this design, this is currently 21 centimeters by 29.7 centimeters. But let's say we wanted to change this to a 6 by 9. We're going to click on custom. We're going to change this to inches, and then we're going to do 6 by 9, just like that. We're then going to come down to the continue button just here. Now, if we click on this little arrow, we can see that's what we've just inputted, 6 by 9, so that's what it's going to change it to. Now, if we click on continue, we're going to have two different options. So we can copy and resize this page just here. So it's going to open in a new tab with the new dimensions, which means we'll have two different projects, the original and the new one. Or we can just resize this design just here. Now let's go with copy and resize. It's going to take a second. We can then open the new project, and now we have the new page size or new dimensions for this project. Now, if you're going to play around and change the page size of your designs, you might then want to adjust things to make things look good. So what we can do is just move that up like so. We can then highlight all of this, and then we can adjust this to however we want. Now, that's the paid way to change page sizes here in Canva. Now, there's also a free way that you can use to do this as well, in case you don't have Canva Pro, and if you want to watch that video, click right here, right now.